I'm a very ghargustu type of a person, okay? And people do think that I have two names. So my mother used to call me Batuni Kachua. So you are not creating content. मैंने कहा भाई ये क्या नया प्रेशर है. आई रिमेम्बर रीना रॉय वाला नागिन आल्सो विद जीतू जीनर. तेरे संग प्यार में यही वाला ना, like a typical middle class small town mother. पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई, you know. So there was like a lot of pressure from her side कि पढ़ाई में नंबर कम नहीं आना चाहिए. Because of that pressure only I think I topped the university. मैं ज्यादा ही पढ़ाई कर रही. It was Bill Clinton. I was like, yeah, I have a crush on him. Yeah, I used to blush as if I am Monica. In the lift में सिग्नल नहीं आता है, फिर भी वो फोन पे कुछ करते हैं. Like what? Like सुर मेरे सिर्फ नाम में है, मेरे गले में नहीं है. बाजरे दा सिट्टा वे असा तली उते. ये लो देखो मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएट किया है. Have it and enjoy it. उठड़ा जांदा माया वे असा गली विचों.
क्या है वो, क्या था वो, है खलिश या खलन या है खला, बाकी है ठहरा अंदर कहीं.
Hi, Surbi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very well. How are you doing?
I am good, Griha. First of all, just tell me, what does it mean? You have a very different name.
Thank you so much. It means Lakshmi. It's a synonym for Lakshmi. Griha Lakshmi.
Wow.
So hence Griha.
Wow. And Atul is your last name?
Atul is my father's name, yes. So I use it
Oh.
as my last name, yeah.
Jyoti is not my father's name, but it is my last name. And people do think that I have two names. And then I just explain it to them that no, it's my son, it's my last name, because my father's name is Ravi, so his name is Ravi Jyoti. So yeah, it's all very confusing. So I love the people who have like two names.
Okay. So before I go for any further questions, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump onto my game. It's called Sip and Spin. Take a sip if you have jumped off a moving train. सच में मैं तो ऐसे ही पूछ लिया था यार.
It's a very, very, very stupid story, and I shouldn't have done it, but I've done it, and now I think about it, मुझे खुद ही यकीन नहीं होता यार मैंने वो कैसे. So I'll tell you, I was shooting somewhere. I had to catch a train to shoot somewhere. Okay, I was in Punjab, and I wanted to pee. Okay. So
Yeah.
I just couldn't see
A washroom nearby.
a washroom nearby, and one I could actually smell it. It was not clean or something
Very
like that.
clean, yeah.
So there
Yeah.
was this Shatabdi. Okay, so how Shatabdis are clean. Shatabdis are. So there was this Shatabdi standing. I had to catch a Shatabdi. So there was a very little window. I actually ran, and I actually went inside the train. I was peeing, and I realized, oh my God, ये तो चल पड़ी.
चलने लगी. Oh shit.
And then I was like, oh shit, and I'm in the middle of it, and I was like, oh shit. And you know how Shatabdi बहुत जल्दी speed पकड़ लेते ना. And then I actually jumped out of the train. And आसपास ऐसे लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं that ये actually में suicide करने की कोशिश कर रही थी. ऐसे suspicious थी मुझे that what was she trying to do? But
And
no,
it was Shatabdi, the fastest train in the country.
Yes. It was a very, very mad move. It was.
Yeah.
I shouldn't have done it. Now I've realized that I should have. I mean, waited for my Shatabdi. But of course, उसमें time था.
Yeah.
But no, I would have done some serious injury to myself.
that's
But
true.
luckily, नहीं हुआ यार.
My
Sad.
God. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, back to my game. Take a sip if you have received shero shairis on your dimples or some crazy pickup line that people or men have used which are related to your dimples.
हाँ यार. I mean, of course. यार एक तो मैं ना पंजाब से हूँ. Punjab is a land of romantic people. You just, pick up any story, be it Heer Ranjha, be it Soni Mahwal, be it like anybody, they all are like Punjabis, So शेरो शायरी, रोमांस और सिंगर्स भरे पड़े हैं. So वहाँ पे अगर आपके डिम्पल्स पे कोई कुछ नहीं बोलता, that is impossible. So yeah, I really used to get like a lot of shero shairi and letters and everything on my dimple.
Right. Take a sip if you remember Hugh Jackman dialogue by heart? Any?
Yeah, one.
Which one's that?
Fuck off.
Before the people on this live stream think that Surbi just asked me to fuck off, that's not it.
That's not it. It was, you have no idea, Griha. I just loved him in that scene, you know, when they just actually, it was in X-Men First Class, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Michael Fassbender and this other,
Yeah.
the person who reads the mind, I forgot his name. So they went up to him for the help,
Yeah,
and he's
yeah.
in a bar having his cigar and I think whiskey, and he says fuck off, and that's like, oh my god, that's like my Wolverine is saying this fuck off.
Okay, that was perfectly timed though. Okay, all right.
That's true.
All right, okay. Take a sip if you can sing in Punjabi.
I can.
Your go-to
I
Punjabi
can.
song. But don't say I won't.
I'm a very bad singer. Like सुर मेरे सिर्फ नाम में है, मेरे गले में नहीं है. So, बाजरे दा सिट्टा वे असा तली उत्ते मोड़िया रुठड़ा जांदा माया वे असा गली विचों मोड़िया बाजरे दा सिट्टा.
Wow,
I'm
man,
sure
why you sing? Come on,
people
you
must
sing,
be
you sung well.
people must be expecting that, you know, I'll sing probably like ऐसा कुछ बहुत ही contemporary song, but I'm a die-hard fan of old
It's a
Punjabi
beautiful
music.
song. I love the song too. It's a beautiful,
Thank
beautiful song.
you.
And good
Sung
that
by
you actually
Surinder.
chose that. Yeah,
It's sung by Surinder Kaur, and she's like a legendary Punjabi
Yeah.
singer.
Okay. All right. So इसी से related मैं दूसरा सवाल पूछती हूँ. Take a sip if you have a song that you feel brings out the Surila in Surbi, and you always, if when asked to sing, you'd probably pick that song.
Maybe this one only. And like a lot of other, like, yeah, I'm a bathroom singer. Like, you know, I sing because I
Okay.
know that, see, if God, you know, someday comes in front of me and asks me for a wish, that's gonna be like, I really want a voice with that I can sing. Like, I really want to sing. But I don't live in a bubble, so I know that I am not a good singer. But yeah, like, I'm a bathroom singer.
तो स्कूल में कभी ट्राई नहीं किया? वो म्यूजिक क्लासेस होते थे या choir में गाना वाना
मैं
होता
गई
था?
थी यार, मैं गई थी. मैम ने ऐसे बोल दिया, मैं बेटा वापस मत आना प्लीज. थिएटर जहाँ थिएटर ही कर रही हो वहीं पर जाओ एंड थिएटर करो. यू आर सो गुड एट इट. प्लीज डोंट कम टू म्यूजिक क्लास एवर.
Okay, that's not
Yeah.
very okay. All right, let's get to the other one. Take a sip if you hate pizza.
It's no, I am
Debatable.
not gonna take the sip. No, yeah, because initially I really used to not like pizza. And the character I played in Kubul Hai, she used to
Yes,
love
yes.
pizza. You know, I
Hmm,
used to
hmm.
eat it and then immediately throw it because then I think because of that only I have developed the habit where now I think I made my peace with pizza.
Okay,
Yeah,
but
now
because you're obviously you're Punjabi at heart also, and also a foodie from what I know. ये junk versus घर का खाना, obviously your choice will be very, very easy. I don't think you are like a person who would readily go to junk food or a burger or a pizza.
You
or
are
for that matter.
mistaken, Griha. I am not at all foodie. Like, it's a very
Actually, you know,
it's a contrast. Like, I'm a vegetarian. So people ask that you're a Punjabi who is not a non-vegetarian
Exactly.
and who's not foodie. But yeah, I'm a vegetarian and I'm not foodie at all. Like, I can have khichdi in my breakfast, lunch and dinner.
okay.
I just
मतलब
love
पेट
it.
भरने से मतलब है, कोई ऐसे शौक नहीं है.
See, A, घर का होना चाहिए. B, मेरे taste का. Like, I don't eat spicy and
Yeah.
like this. So not very simple and घर का.
Okay.
I love it. Yeah.
Okay. Take a sip. If you have been cheated when it comes to a pani puri, ever been
Cheated as in?
cheated with the taste of a pani puri, or you've been served something else in the name of pani puri. Coming from a pani puri lover, how did that happen?
Yeah, so chai ke baad, if anything which holds that importance in my life when it comes to food is pani puri. I just love pani puri, but I have like specific food joints jahan ki pani puri mujhe pasand hai. So that's what, you know, in lockdown I have cooked a lot of things, but I've never tried pani puri because I'm scared. What if I couldn't achieve it? Like I respect pani puri यार कि मतलब अगर मुझसे अच्छी नहीं बनी it'll break my heart. So yeah, I didn't even give it a shot that yeah pani puri नहीं बनाई मैंने.
Okay, all right. Take a sip. If you all want to start a conversation, even in a lift with any stranger,
I can have this
All right.
entire tea because I am the person who can start a conversation anywhere and I love it. I love random conversations. Like I
Okay.
can't tell you how randomly I can start a conversation with anybody. Like in the lift also, and you know people get so nervous in the lift. Lift में signal नहीं आता है, फिर भी वो phone पे कुछ करते हैं. I'm like, what the hell you're doing? I can see there's no signal. You also know there's no signal. What are you doing? So they get nervous. That they get awkward in a lift. You
in
know,
front
कि
of
क्या
us.
करें?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I start a conversation. Like अभी तो the hot topic is COVID.
Yeah.
So you know, I like anything कि और काम शुरू हो गया नहीं हुआ है हमारा भी नहीं हुआ है like ऐसे random even if the person wants to talk doesn't want to talk I just start a conversation. So my mother used to call me Batuni Kachua. So apparently there's this story of a Kachua. हाँ, so there's a story, you know, where they're like two swans. They get a stick to save their friend. ऐसे कछुए वाली some story, huh? Some folklore. Yeah, so like you are that kachua, huh? Who just can't stop. You just can't be like quiet for some time. You just have to talk something.
Bathuni
Yeah,
Kachua was good.
I know she calls me Madhuri Kachua. But yeah, in the flights also, if I find the person interesting, like there are some aisa aunties or like sometimes those uncles who just want to sleep and snore. Of course, you can't have a conversation with them. But otherwise, yeah, I try and initiate a conversation.
Take a sip. If your first celebrity crush was questionable,
Yeah, actually, it was Bill Clinton.
really?
Okay. Yeah. Like I saw him and I was like, oh my God, this man is so handsome. And come on, Griha, he was handsome.
He's good looking. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
He's good looking.
So then I just told my mom also. She also looked at me. I told my friends. So most of my friends, you know, उस time पे school में they actually didn't know who's Bill Clinton. Shame on them, man. You don't know the president of US.
Yeah.
But yeah, they were not. And then, you know, this entire episode happens of Monica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lewinsky, yeah.
Yeah. So then I think people got to know about him. And yeah, I was like, yeah, I have a crush on him. Yeah. I used to blush as if I am Monica.
मतलब अगर कोई भी थोड़े politically motivated बच्चे होते who were like the nerds who knew everything, they would have like clearly judged you कि भाई एक तो this guy is like
Yeah, and that too like right now in the news because of his affair.
Yeah.
So yeah, good choice. But
Okay.
yeah, so I used to love him.
Okay. Now tell me what is happening on the work front, because the moment I posted this creative that I'm going live with you, there were so many of your fans, and I can see huge number of your fans joining us even during this live. All they want to know is when are you doing a web series, because that's something that's really working for a lot of actors, and there's some beautiful content that's out there. So you have done a web show Tanhaiya. That was something that when I watched it, and when I watched it back then when it was not really a fad, I thought that this is something very interesting for actors to do at this point in time.
Yeah.
So is there something in the future that's coming, or what was your experience working on that show, and how do you see it now with the shows that are coming online, Abhi?
When I shot Tanhaiya, I thoroughly enjoyed it because, you know, start to end, you get your script, you know the character, and it was like a bound period of time. And we really got a very good response. It was an experiment back then because web series were not that famous as they are right now. But we really got a very good response. I got a very good response. People meet me and they just tell me about it, and I get surprised like, wow, people have actually seen it. Right now also, I'm in talks. Things look bright to me.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think like very soon we'll announce about it. Very, very
Okay.
soon.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. That's nice. Your version of probably creating content with Shrishti was something really fun that I saw the other day. What is
Yeah.
your take on everybody creating content, or at least talking about creating content these days on social media?
See, it's a lot of pressure also. Like, you know, you talk to people, I talk to my team, you know, who handles my work, and also, Surbhi, you are not creating content. मैंने कहा भाई ये क्या नया प्रेशर है जस्ट क्रिएट कंटेंट पीपल डोंट डू स्टफ दे जस्ट प्रिटेंड ऑन सोशल मीडिया दैट दे आर डूइंग इट you actually
Yeah.
do stuff, you exercise, you cook, you take care of your plants. I was like, I also post about my plants, I also post about the cooking, but I really can't make it a thing that whenever I do something I post about it. I think little social media lazy, little, but there are a lot of like brand campaign and all I do, but yeah, I am not that active. Like I really don't make it a point कि मैं कुछ भी करूं और वो रिकॉर्ड हो और वो इंस्टाग्राम पे जाए. So that's why I was like, ये लो देखो मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएट किया है, have it and
Okay.
enjoy it. It was
Okay.
funny. Yeah.
So, ever since Kabule happened, you obviously were briefly part of the Punjabi film industry also. You've done films there, and then Kabul happened. Just briefly tell me a little bit about your journey. ये पंजाब से बॉम्बे का सफर जो था, I mean, if you had to sum it up, how was that experience like for you?
I really don't count whatever I did in Punjab as my work. I was very naive. I was a student, you know, and like how to a student somebody tells that, you know, they are very good people and they are making a film or a show or something. And I was not a student who was very popular in college for her fashion. I was a very simple student. I topped the university rather, you know. I was like a
Oh wow.
studious child. Yeah, so I मतलब वो एकदम पढ़ाकू, because my mother was very strict. She really made it a point that do whatever you want to do, मुझे number कम नहीं चाहिए. Like a typical middle class small town mother, पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई, you know. So there was like a lot of pressure from her side कि पढ़ाई में number कम नहीं आना चाहिए. Because of that pressure only, I think I topped the university. मैं ज़्यादा ही पढ़ाई करूँ. You know? So it's like, you know, I have done like my first master's, then my second master's, and I've cleared my PhD entrance. Then finally I got a call from Gul, this production house, the Kabul episode.
Yeah.
Okay, so this was, I didn't know how to dress up. I didn't know how to do my makeup. I didn't know how should I do my hair. I am more groomed now. I have worked with mature people now in Mumbai. In Punjab, see, right now, things are easier, Griha, because there's social media. You can actually have a tutorial about anything or everything, you know. Liner se leke lipstick ka shade, about your skin tone, about everything you can have, like, you know, you can go to. So there are so many apps you can go to for help. Back then there was nothing. At least I was not exposed to it. So it was not my work, you know. I used to get so nervous. But of course, it was a good opportunity, and people used to tell me that you will be on television, you should do it. That's why I did it. But I wouldn't say that that was best of my work. Work, because you hear people in Mumbai. Of course, now I'm sure there also people are better. They get better with time. But whatever I've done here, I must say I've worked with more professional people. And they worked on me. They worked on everything, that, you know, what suits me, what looks good on me. So yeah, whatever I've done in Mumbai, I would say made me an actress. Back then, I was a student जिसको आपने काम करने के लिए डाल दिया.
But कभी नहीं सोचा था, even in college, even when you were doing theatre, कि भाई this is the career that I want to pursue, because when you were saying that you were the simple girl जिसको fashion और makeup से उतना कोई मतलब नहीं था, and this is something that is the first impression when you are into the acting field. इसी से आपको लोग जानना शुरू करते हैं. So how did that bent of mind really happen for you after you'd done those films, या फिर बिल्कुल ही different था?
No. Those films also I have done. क्या हुआ ना कि एक के बाद एक दूसरा काम मुझे मिलते गया. And then I thought, ठीक है, it's very good. Like they used to give me like good money, and back then मुझे ऐसा लगता था it's some extra pocket money I'm earning, which was very good. Like I was a radio jockey also. I've started my career as a radio jockey because as I told you, I talk a lot. But
Yeah.
I was very well, I was very much prepared in my mind that I'm going to start my PhD. But then when I got this call from Mumbai, my mother was so sure that you are not going to go to Mumbai. Mumbai is not safe for girls. Like, पंजाबी एक मम्मी जैसी
Okay.
होती है ना, यू या बिल कौन देखेगा, कहाँ जाओगी, किसके साथ रहोगी, कोई मजाक है, दे आर फ्रॉड. हु कॉल्स ऐसे? तुमने देखा है क्या कभी मुंबई से फोन आता है? फ्रॉड लोग हैं, फ्रॉड. माय
Actually.
मदर वाज सो श्योर. या बट माय फादर, आई हैव नो, I didn't know that he is actually that kind of person till that moment when he told me that if they are calling you, they have booked my air tickets. Like, हम अगर fraud है भाई, हम तुम्हारी air ticket क्यों दे रहे हैं? हम तुम्हें रहने के we are actually giving you a card, जब तक आप used to नहीं हो जाते इस शहर के. They were actually very good to me, that production house. So I immediately started shooting. So
Right.
my father actually supported me a lot. Like, he said, you should go and give it a thought and give it a try. And when I came here, I realized that, oh my God, this is the place I belong to. Like, I love Mumbai. I love Mumbai for everything it has to, give me. I love it.
If she wants to go to Big Boss ever, would you do a reality show too, Surbhi?
I've never done Griha. I'm not a competitor. I'm not a person who wants to compete. So I don't think so that I'll ever do a never say never. Like, you never know. But if you ask me today, be it Big Boss, be it any reality show, मैं pressure में काम नहीं कर सकती. There's a pressure that, there are like so many other contestants. They are here to compete with you. मुझ पे आप pressure डाल दोगे, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So yeah, I don't think so. Reality shows are for me.
How did Nagin happen? Because this is one of the most talked about show. And
Yeah.
Your role as Bela has been, I mean, it is loved by everyone. And it's
Yeah,
not just
man.
your chemistry with Pearl, otherwise also. I mean, people talk about Nagin and your role. So how did Nagin happen?
I'll tell you what, there is only one key, and that is conviction. I wasn't sure when Nagin was offered to me, because I am more of a fan of like a real acting, like, real family drama, fiction, like how Kabul Hai was, how Tanhaiya was, When Nagin was offered, I was like, why they're offering? But then I really convinced myself that Superman can also fly. Like, he does it in such a convincing way that we believe that there is a man who can actually fly. There is a Batman. There is like a Wonder Woman. They just do it so convincingly that it looks real. So I really, convinced myself that there's a woman who can turn into a serpent and then turn back to a human being. So I think जब मुझे वो conviction आ गया ना कि ऐसा होता है, and then I think with honesty when you do something, with conviction when you do something, people love it then. So I think that was it.
Do you remember Sridevi ka Nagin? Do you remember that film?
I remember I remember Reena Roy wala Nagin also with Jeetu Ji in it.
Do you remember the song?
तेरे संग प्यार में, यही वाला ना? That is Reena Roy wala, yaar.
Yeah, that's much older.
Yeah, but I've seen that. People in India have some fantasy. They love serpents, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, at least they love Saap ka story. There are like
Saap,
two type of people with mysterious stories. One is Bhoot ka story, the other is Snake ka story. Snake ka stories are actually very popular.
So, have you ever thought that let me do a horror also, Bhoot wali story? Ever came to your mind?
Not really. I'm more of a Snake ka fan than a Bhoot ka fan. That's why I didn't Nagin and not a Bhoot wala story.
Before I end this interview, and since you mentioned RJ, let me actually ask you to revisit your RJ days. You describe to me how was this session on Coffee Time with Griha, and you would say bye-bye to your fans. You can see all the comments right here. Like an RJ. I mean, let people get introduced to the RJ in Surbhi Jyoti.
So, ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਗ੍ਰਿਹਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਸੁਰਭੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੋ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਜੀ 5:31 ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਏ ਬਾਏ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਗ੍ਰਿਹਾ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ ਗ੍ਰਿਹਾ ਦੇ ਹੋਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊਜ਼ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਲਾਈਨ ਅਪ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਾਈਵ ਚੈਟ ਤੇ ਆਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਅਸੀਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟਾਈਮ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਲਾਈਵ ਚ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਗ੍ਰਿਹਾ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬਾਏ ਬਾਏ ਕਹੋ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ ਆਈ ਲਵ ਯੂ ਆਲ